guys? It's Farmer Peyton, and I have the crew this morning.
I'm Lily.
I'm Pogo.
I'm Titan.
I'm Ava.
I'm Paisley.
We are going to be feeding some cows. We're going slow because we've got several kids on here. Pogo typically jumps off because he can't handle not to be to the animals as fast as he possibly can. And then he runs back. What? What, are we not going fast enough? Huh? Get right up next to it, Lil. See how there's a big old gap? So watch this. We get those tires real close. So where it's literally rubbing. There we go. Good job, Ava Jade. Whoa! You flipped that whole thing in there.
It's a baby.
Is that a baby? Oh, yuck! If you cut it in a little piece, it's easier to lift. Okay, you see there's a little chunk right there? That's called a flake. See how it's trying to pull a bigger one right there? So if we keep it small, it's easier to lift in and it breaks apart easier. Now it's time to fill up this guy for the baby cows over here, and we're gonna go get the chickens. Here's a pile of old veggies that we ended up just, instead of throwing them in the compost pile, we put them out here, we let the chickens run through them, and then they'll be put in the compost pile here in a bit. Okay guys, let's go. These cows still have hay, so we need to put a little bit less this time than what we've been putting, okay? Get the water going. Nice job, Paige. I've let the girls go over and finish off feeding the cows by themselves. It's great responsibility. We know they have plenty of food already, and this is a good way for the kids to start learning some good leadership and responsibilities. Pogo thinks I'm gonna go feed the other animals right now without him, so he takes off. Huh? You want on? Pogo gets on as soon as this four-wheeler is turned on. He's ready to go. Same thing with the other kids, but they have to do their chores first. Hey, Ava, you want on? Okay, help out, Pace. Sometimes we need to have a little fun while we're working. Here they come. You guys ready for some food? Now these guys, now that they have access to all this straw or all this grass, we only supplement what they're eating now. All right, now let's go turn on the irrigation. This is culinary water. All right, looks like we've got some water coming out. There's always water leaking on these guys, no matter what we do. Sometimes if I stomp on these, they will get a better seal. Yep, there it goes. We got these big guys watering all over here. And these are watering inside of here to help get all this stuff fresh and prepped again. And these guys will pretty much stay on all day long. That way we get a real good water out here. I wonder if there's a big leak over there. I'll go jump on the four-wheeler and go check. Oh, I thought there might have been that problem. Gotta go find our plug. Here's the issue over here. This guy, the plug blew out. So that's an easy fix. Thankfully, all we gotta do is plug this guy back up. Ugh. No wonder that thing blew out. I don't want to get in far enough. Come on, little guy. All right, we're gonna go with that for now. I'm gonna go check on the kids. Where's it broke? Is it just spraying out everywhere? Yeah. This guy, he's just so loose in it. Oh, that one probably would have fit on the one over there. So it needs to be pulled back out. Nah, yeah, it's just gonna spray everywhere. Thank you guys so much for doing chores with us this morning.
Thanks.
See you guys on the next video.